let's focus on inside truck cleaning. I've been doing this a long time. I've tried a lot of different things. I've found that these little things work the best. They remove all the dust that gets on your dash, on your panel, everything like that. Very little elbow grease. You might be wondering what these little things are, and it's not what you think. It's baby wipes. Very cost effective. I bought this, I paid 80 cents for it. There's 80 in there. Not only are they for the obvious use when you're out driving a truck, they do the cleaning that you need done, and in the winter time they also keep your hands from getting dried and cracked. Got another training tip for this one. You need a mask, you need your safety glasses. I use rubber gloves. Now for the pedestal, you can see where I done hit it once, but watch here. Spray this on, give her a spray here, that old grease and water deposits and everything is hard to get off. So all you need, use your brush, a little bit of elbow grease, not a lot. Not a lot at all. As you can see, it's on there. Just a quick rinse. You can see the difference. Now you're wondering what I might be using. Oven cleaner. It will also, if you put it on and leave it set for a little bit, it will even take off the rust. You can get the cheap version, but the foaming kind seems to work the best. Here's another quick use for the oven cleaner inside your cab, where you get like fly ash cement dust built up. Spray a little bit. I'm not spraying a lot because I'm in here. Let it set for just a second. Wipe it off. It's that easy. As far as your floorboard in your truck, spray it on for a second. You do have to spray a little bit more on this because it's a rougher surface. A little bit of elbow grease. You can see it already working. Use an oven cleaner on your concrete truck. You can do a lot. Look there what it picked up. You can definitely see a difference. If that gets real dirty, spray this on. Put it on a little bit thick, only because this is a really rough surface. But I guarantee you it will work. I'm gonna hit it again. I don't really need to, but I am. Like where it's really, maybe the dirt and mud's heavy. You don't even have to scrub it. And just use the trusty water hose. You can see the majority of it came right off.